What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're losing some daylight here. I'm filming this on the same day that I filmed the tour video of my old S4. But I figured before I leave, I'll get an exhaust clip comparison of these two cars. So this is a 2010 Audi S4. It has an AWE Touring catback exhaust. And if you guys are familiar with the channel, this is my 2017 BMW 340i. And it has the Dinan full exhaust system on the rear here. You can see the Dinan system there. We go over to the S4. This is the AWE Touring system, like I said. Stock downpipe on both cars. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start with my old S4 here. So there's actually a rev limiter of 4,000 RPM in park, so that's about the loudest it can be. But with that being said, let's go ahead and head to the 340i. So there's no rev limiter on the 340i there, so I got right up to redline in sport mode. It sounded absolutely amazing. Overall, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this quick little video of the exhaust comparison of my old 2010 Audi S4 and my current BMW 340i. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.